are off to London to the V&A to see the Dior and Mary Quant exhibition, and I can't wait. It's going to be excellent. I'm going to show you all the pretty things that we get to see. Cooking in a jungle. Paneer. What is it?
Tandoori paneer.
Tandoori paneer. And then we're also going to have chickpea curry. Yummy! So Barbara Bakes, what's your secret to tandoori paneer?
Plenty of spices. Plenty of time to the marinade.
He's such a fool.
You're a fool.
The real secret is making it big. This is my happy place. Doing work with my little sausage. Look, you can see the mist rising off the fields this morning. It's so pretty. It's going to be a beautiful day in Hollywood. It's beautiful blue skies here today, but I am currently in my dining room wrapping some sales. So I am going to nip to the post office, get all those sent off, and then I'm going to take some photos of some new stock that I found in April. Can I think of the date? I think it might be the 12th, which I know is weird that I remember that, as I have a crap memory. But you know, I have always said I have a great memory for anything to do with clothes, and I think that proves my point. I might even show you a receipt, so then I have proof. But then I probably can't find my receipt. I hope whatever you're doing today is wonderful and you enjoy this beautiful bright blue sky.
Staring at the stars in the back of my car, trying to figure out just who we are. Catching moments on our phones, taking pictures, call it home. Picking words out of our favorite songs, We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours for life. Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand tonight? Will you take my hand tonight? Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand tonight? Will you take my hand tonight? Wearing cheap perfume, smoking the rain. I make you laugh, trying to heal the pain. Now we're stuck in hotels, missing home.
Trouble. Trouble, for sure. But very beautiful colleagues. Breaking news for a weather update. It is slinging it down. Wish you could hear it. It is absolutely going for it. And I just got in. Woohoo! These are like the best crisps. The only problem is I could eat the whole bag.
We were right. Will you take my hand tonight? Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay young together. We can go on forever. We can tell them that we just don't care. Run through the street and you flick your hair.
Birmingham, wearing this today. Pretty, eh? Anthony, do you like my outfit?
They film me right now.
Do you like my outfit? What do I look like? Say it and then get over and done with.
No.
It's so miserable. Refusing to play a game and currently sunbathing. He said that I look like a wizard because of this kimono. Who agrees? Vote below. Love a nice sky, and this one is working for me right now. I think it's just going to get better as well. Refusing to play a game and currently sunbathing. He said that I look like a wizard because of this kimono. Who agrees? Vote below.
Staring at the stars in the back of my car. Trying to figure out just who we are. Catching moments on our phones, taking pictures,
The
calling.
sun is out here in sunny Birmingham. Bright blue skies. I have some cool things to show you. Photograph and show you. Do that now. Look at this two-piece. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen anything so cool? I have lots of other great things as well. So the old Sunny studio, and now, not that I can see my face. Oh, there we go. I'm back again. We are gonna get our photo on. Boo hoo hoo! It started to rain. Very annoying. Hopefully it's just a passing shower. As I have on a very cool outfit, and underneath this nice almost knocked over my camera. Green trench coat with a cool collar. It's a really cool blue check trouser suit. So I really would like to take photos of these so I can get them online for you ASAP. Come on, son, I know you can do it. And we're back in business. It's dry, you know it's dry because Olive hates the rain. Good work, Olive, for getting the weather on point.
We can get lost whenever. We can talk till the morning, dream without a warning, you and I. We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours for life.
Another rain shower. I think it's trying to tell me something. As long as I can get this one taken, then I'll stop. I promise, weather. I'm going to stay true to my word and not do any more photos. It looks like it's going to rain again. But I am wearing a funny outfit now, so I thought I'd show you. You know, casual wolf t-shirt, joggers, and fancy sandals. See that? What a weird outfit. Oh, and red lipstick just to top it all off. And now I can understand why my neighbours probably think
Yeah, will you take my hand tonight? Will you take my... We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours for life. Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand?
So I am just out doing a bit of vintage sorry, it's quite loud. I've got a feeling I'm going to find some really cool stuff, so I'm excited about that. Also, myself going for a haircut on Tuesday, so I will no longer be looking like a Yeti, and I'll be able to fully see where I'm going, so that's also very exciting, isn't it? And then of course, today being Thursday means a new video, so I'm going to film that when I get home.
Staring at the stars in the back of my car. Trying to figure out just who we are.
So the new video is now live. As you can see, there's a play button there and everything. Head over to my blog or YouTube to watch it now, or you can listen on my podcast, whichever you prefer. Oh my god, I'm so happy that the sun is out. Oh, hate the rain. Definitely cabin fever the last few days. Currently looking for my sewing machine, cable and pedal foot. How do you lose that? I don't know. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to the post office. Then I'm going to list a really cool trench coat that you saw, the like contact sheet photos. And I'm sure I've got something else to do. But if I do, I'll let you know or / show you. I hope you're having a good Friday. Can she be any cuter? Doing, Olive? Princess in the pea mode. Great. Do you go outside? Do you do wee wee? Is there a pigeon in your garden? Who's there? So an update. It's very sunny here now, so I could totally be taking some photos, but I need to go to the post office still, and I failed to find my sewing machine pedal. How do you lose that? I literally looked everywhere. Literally everywhere. I do not have a big house. Even looked in the shed and I made it out alive, so at least that was good.
We can get lost whenever. We can talk till the morning, dream without a warning, you and I. We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours for life. Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand tonight? Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay young together. We can go on forever. We can tell.
So I went to farmer's market, had an accidental find of an amazing gem of a shop. All I'm going to say is I found a lady who has some Aussie Clark. Going to see her next Saturday. Counting down the days already. And I found a lavin skirt.
Take my